Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Finance TV. As you all know, I actually brings you updates in which you can actually make money online or with your mobile phones. I also teach about cryptocurrency. Today, I actually bring this app which is called Spenda. This app is actually a way for you to actually receive USDT in Naira form, especially if you're in Nigeria. You actually receive the USDT in your country currency, which means you don't need to swap, you don't need to exchange, you don't need to do anything on the app. It is all automatically done for you immediately, and it is actually fast. Let me quickly take you through the process of downloading. As you can see here, once you register with this my referral code, you're actually going to get a welcome bonus from this app. And for you not to miss this bonus, let me quickly guide you on how to get registered. First, you copy this code and paste on your browser, or just click on the code in the comments section or in the description. Once you click on it, it will quickly take you to the download page in your Google Play Store. The next thing you need to do is actually to click on this open after it is downloaded. Then once it opens, you might actually get to the login page, or you can actually get to the registration page. For example, this is the create account page, this is the login page. So all I need to do is just to click on the create account page, and then you put your first name, you put your last name just the way it is on your ID card, maybe your paper NIN, then put in your phone number. This is how simple it is. And then copy my referral code. This referral code is actually what is going to give you that bonus. Then make sure you paste the referral code here. Then the next thing is you have to click on continue, and after this part it will be registered successfully. Now click on this account, click on this home, click on this rate, click on this card. These are just the important parts you need to actually notice as a new user. Now this account part is where you're going to do your KYC. You come to this part here, do your KYC. This KYC is just to show that you're actually owning a bank. Are you getting? So you actually come to this part to do your KYC. Can you see my KYC is already completed? You might be thinking that the KYC is complicated. No, I actually use the paper NIN, and in few times it's already verified for me. And then the next thing you need to set is this beneficiary. This is the bank, your bank that you're going to be using to receive money. You can actually put your own bank there. You can actually see I put my own PalmPay bank account is actually there. So each time I just click on the beneficiary, and then I can send money to myself. So how do you now use this app? The main purpose of this app is for you to be able to receive your money in Naira, in your country currency. For example, a lot of people actually say they don't understand USDT, they don't know BEP20, they don't know TRC20, they don't know how to exchange it to Naira, different kinds of complaints. All you need to do is that if you need USDT to actually do a business, you can come to me to buy. But each time you want to withdraw from the business, you just come to this app, click on the deposit, then copy their wallet address, either for BTC, for USDT, for USDC, any of these you can actually receive through it. I'll actually make a practical example very soon. And once you receive through it, for example, click on USDT. It actually have different kinds of network as well. For example, let me choose BEP20, and then let me copy the address and send some money into it. So right now I copied this my wallet address, and I sent $10 to this wallet address. Let's see how it looks like when it actually reflected. So as you can see, it is currently empty. So let's see what's gonna happen. Just as we speak, as you can see, the money has already reflected. Like I said before, the purpose of this application is for you to actually receive your money in your own country currency. As you can see, $10 here, and then the money is already in my own country currency. I can now take a receipt screenshot, as you can see. Then if I want to send it to my bank, then I can click on bank, as you can see here, and then put in my bank details, and then send it to my bank straight. So I don't need to now start converting, start doing anything. So the purpose of this application is just for you to receive cryptocurrency in the form of your own bank currency. Do you understand that now? So it's as simple as this. So I hope you find this easy.